Hey guys, Mike and Magic Muffler Brake here with another video for you guys. Today we've got a 2014 Chevy 1500 with a 5.3 liter V8. And today what we did is we got ourselves a 1 in, 2 out Flowmaster 40 series muffler. And of course we went ahead and did dual exhaust on this thing, capped off with these black powder coated tips. So let's go ahead and turn it on and see how it sounds. Alright guys, there you have it. That is the Flowmaster 40 series muffler, 1 in, 2 out on a 2014 Chevy 1500 with a 5.3 liter V8. Thanks, have a great day. Come get yours here at Magic Muffler Brake today.